Just to give you all an update on how my progress is doing, I've got basically a full body switch that's mostly 3D printable. The shaft that goes through there was printed separately, and as you can see, I didn't quite align it properly on insertion, which says to me that I need to make the shaft not a circle. And I have another issue which you can probably hear, and that's that scratchy sound. That's because the alignment plate that's inside there that prevents it from wobbling is scratching up against the side. Unless you hit it perfectly straight, it's not going to, basically it's going to scratch the sides. But I just wanted to show the amount of force at which I think I got just about right. And that's bottomed out right there, at about 80, 76-ish, 80-ish, all the way at the bottom. Not bad.